Hello, hello. Good evening, everyone. For those who are watching in Philippines right now, yeah. So everything well. I hope everything is well with everyone. It's been quite some times that we did live, right? But I'm happy to announce that you know I'm finally getting settled in here. So for those who doesn't know, I actually moved for a couple of months only. Um, Here in USA just to test out, my theory in terms of like, trading with the big market itself. So so far it's been going quite well. And with that, I actually shared in the Telegram earlier that we're gonna be starting a new trading style that is, that can accommodate this type of market. So if you guys have not observed yet, uh, for the past, you know, I was reading your comments just now. So before we start, then, hello, hello, hello. We have Benedict. It's been quite some time, like I said, guys. We also have Ricky Floor. Hello, Mia. Bro Play. Okay, that's a new name for me, but welcome. Flow Mode, good evening. Benedict, ligtas po ba kayo sa ice? Yes, my immigration was very smooth, to be honest, guys. I guess I only have like one or two questions and then done. So it was very smooth. I guess it was meant to be, you can say. For me being in here. But we'll see, how's my stay gonna, affect my trading in here. And with that, because since I was doing some back testing, so as I was settling down, um, I'm gonna show you guys later, okay, some of the techniques, and at the same time, um, yeah, I've shared on the Telegram that we're gonna be conducting different trading methods, trading approach now. Because like I've stated earlier, okay, this is the daily. And if we go back on the last live that we did, which was okay, not this one, supposed to be a okay. I guess I can just a sec, everyone, huh? Where was that? But yeah, welcome everyone for those who just got in. I know it's very late in Philippines now, but I guess this is gonna be the new norm, okay? At least for me. So, but luckily, for us in YouTube, we guys can do our live recording, and at the same time, you guys can watch it again, right? So let me add a photo in here. So where's this one? Just let me set this up. Photo. Okay, and this should be this one. All right. So let me just like pull that up. Okay, so can you guys see my screen? Hopefully, yeah. So Bitcoin, this was from our last live, no? That I told you guys. In between, we have the 90 to 92K level that we have to break. Anything below that, we are still bearish, right? And anything, if we pass that, easily we can hit the 100K level. So far, um, past few days, okay, not days, actually, when I was settling down here in America, is that Bitcoin for 9 straight days haven't moved at all. Yeah, anyone who traded this, let me know in the comments right now. Did you guys trade this? It was just yesterday that we had a proper close above this high. Yeah, it was that breakout or this one. So anyone? try to trade this kangaroo type of setup. So right now you cannot see properly for those who haven't, engaged the market the last few days. But if I'll open the 4 hours right now, you guys would observe. Right now we are in the 4 hours. Yeah. Market haven't moved anywhere, but just like that. That's not tradable. And if you think about it. But on a short time frame, okay, short time frame, I'm talking like day trading. I actually did a poll for the Telegram, and people prefers majority, actually half of them, okay, really prefers day trading. So I came up with a strategy approach, and I'm gonna be sharing that in the Telegram. And I already posted the rules for those who are in my Telegram members. I already posted the rules. You guys just check it out. Okay, if you have any question, you guys can message me anyways. Right? So right here since April 12 all the way to you know to 20 2 days ago, market haven't moved or went anywhere. And this is not just in Bitcoin, okay? I'm talking most market. So let's open Ethereum just for an example. Right here, let's open the 4 hour. Okay, so can you guys see this? For past 9 days, there we go. Yeah, we are just in this funny trading range. Yeah, and this trading range actually, guys, looks more of like an accumulation. Okay, it looks like more of an accumulation for us to go to the upside. So if you observe Bitcoin right now, if we go back on the daily, yeah, um, we literally just broke the trend line, the downside trend line, and now we are by the upside trend line. So let me just simply draw our midline dito, no, that I was telling you that you guys have to observe. Not this one. Let me open that. Okay. So this is the midline right now from our last live that I told you that we need to currently break. So far, if you guys can observe, right now it's roughly 7 minutes before 12 p.m. in here. And this is what I have observed so far. 12 p.m. to 1 to 1:30 p.m. in America is that market tends to slow down. Yeah, market tends to slow down. Hence why I was my my hands were literally itching for to trigger some trades to share with the Telegram just to test run. But currently it's not yet the time. Possibly later, later afternoon, let the market develop. Okay, let the market develop. So if you guys can observe, we are by the 11:20, market starts to reverse, and this is gonna continue to to go on till 1 to 1:30. So yeah, so like right here, okay, I'll just show you. This was Monday yesterday, but Monday yesterday we have a very big event that has happened. Okay, Pope, for those who doesn't know, Pope Francis, right? He passed away. May he rest in peace. But that affected the market, not just Bitcoin, but at the same time S&P 500. S&P literally moved down the moment I woke up and started to recover later in the evening. So right here at roughly around 12 p.m., like I said, right here, market does not have, you know, it has a tendency to have a reversal, correction, or anything, opposite of what the market is doing. Yeah. So I'll go on the details with that with you guys for for days to come. But right now, the timing, and then at the same time we're hitting the resistance. Everything is just into place for possible correction. Expect with Bitcoin short term. Okay, I'm not talking like, oh, it's gonna go down to 80 to 70K again. No. Okay, we are literally having pressure to move to the upside. And this might be, the 9 days that we have spent not moving at all. It was agonizing to trade, to be honest, because it keeps going back to entry, right? It's like you don't know where the market is doing. But this actually is a blessing in disguise, as it's serving as a accumulation period for us. So if you guys would observe with Bitcoin, we are having a constant higher high, um, okay, higher high, higher high. Yeah, which is a very good thing. We know that the market is getting bought up, yeah, every time we touch the almost the previous low. So we can conclude market is getting accumulated during at this time period. So if it wasn't because of the news, I guess, from yesterday, I guess we already have broke to the upside. Like this could have happened yesterday. Yeah. But with that, like let me just simply show you this, guys. So with the time zone theory that I'm currently testing, so is if you guys can observe the dot, let's check out the dot trade for now, which I took this morning. Okay, which I took this morning, opened around 9. Can you guys see that? Yeah, 9:43 a.m. A very quick trade lang. 9:43 all the way to 11, like I said. Because the moment we enter around this area, usually market tends to slow down. So 12, so that's my first trade of the day. And then next to that, below that, you guys can see, yesterday I took a long position with Bitcoin because even though we have that news, Bitcoin in general looks very bullish. So if we'll check the market, going back on market, I entered roughly um okay past 1. So let's open past 1 right here, which is around this area. Okay, let me try to zoom in with the 15 minutes. Which is around here. Yeah, I know this market looks crazy. Like if you are to trade it in the day trading, you will be like, okay, market is going up. Let me enter, long position, catching the trade, possibly catching the trend. Then followed by this. How are you gonna feel, diba? So it happens, but okay. So our Ethereum is moving back up. Yeah. Now, can you guys see this? Market tends to slow down. Actually, whole afternoon yesterday. Hence why, if you observe, guys, my closing of the trade for Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin trade on the time theory, is roughly around this morning only. Close the trade, then I entered the dot trade. Yeah. So from this morning, we have let me take this out now. We got the entry from here, 11, 1, and exited roughly right around this area. Now, why did I exited, is Bitcoin when I can see that it's gonna move up, right? Thing is, Bitcoin looks so very bullish. Actually, one of my Telegram member asked me just this morning, how does Bitcoin looks like? Is it bear market na ba? So I responded that actually it's accumulating to the upside, okay? That's what I said. For those who are in the Telegram, I guess you guys can check the chat. I told you that Bitcoin is gonna go up. And the thing is this, altcoins, the same as Bitcoin, they are performing the same way for the past few days. I'm talking the 9 days, okay, that we were seeing earlier. But yeah, so on that, we know that market on the altcoin moves, tends to moves with a bigger percentage rather than Bitcoin. So if you guys can observe right now, like AVAX, I was you know trading this very short. Let me show you this one. If you see on the right side of the screen, we have the test run. Yeah. So this test run was yesterday. From the yesterday, a very quick trade, roughly 1 hour only. So this test run is not the time zone theory. Okay. This is the test run for the day trading that we are gonna be performing with the Telegram. So for those who doesn't know, with Telegram, I've opened a different section for day trading, but mind you that we are still the the no liquidation type of trade still exist. Okay, so this is for those who, for those who are not aware. Okay, the previous trading style, we are still gonna perform that. That is up to you if you're gonna take it. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna be letting you know what type of trading is it. But the day trading, you know, this is the test run that I did yesterday, and so far it was you know it was successful. So going back in here now, so this is what I said earlier. I wanted to long this, but then I have some crash course going on uh, earlier, so we were able to we weren't able to catch this. But now, going back on Ethereum, everyone, okay? So for those who doesn't know, Ethereum actually just broke the 1700K level. So that is that's a very strong move for Ethereum. If we look at the 4 hours right now, we guys have broke or close above the, let me taken this out, okay, and change this one to green. We just broke it. So any reverse correction that we're gonna get now, I want you guys to be observant with that. That's gonna be a possible entry position for you if you'd like to get into Ethereum. Okay? Now I'm telling you that. Okay? So that's one thing. And what else? What else do I have to do with our update for today? Yeah, I guess that's it. So for those who are in my Telegram, get ready. Okay, get ready with the instructions that I've given. So check that out. And yeah, this is just gonna be a quick update for today. And tomorrow I'm gonna be around here as well. I guess let's say like 11, or I'll try to be early, like 8 p.m. before the market opens, or like 7:30 before the market opens. Yeah, 7:30 p.m. So for those who doesn't know, my timing is gonna be opposite on the Philippines only. So if it's 12, it should be 12:05 right now in Manila, right? So it's gonna be up 12:05 a.m. Okay, or so sorry. I guess it's 05 a.m. right now in Manila. Yeah. 5 minutes past 12. So for me it's 12 p.m. Okay, 12:05 p.m. So not that much. It's very quick conversion for you guys lang. Diba? Just flip it. And yeah, just turn AM to PM. So for me, it's gonna be like 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. I'll try that. Yeah. And yeah, we'll try to have an early live tomorrow. All right. So that's it for today, everyone. Market is looking very bullish, like I've stated. It really is. And I want you guys to observe Bitcoin. We are in a very bullish position for Bitcoin right now, especially on the daily. Let me remove this. Okay. After 9 days of of accumulation, finally we broke out, and we're not done yet. On the RSI, we're just starting. For those who doesn't know, on the RSI, we are just starting. MACD is looking strong. Our MAs on the MACD is just about to pass through, okay, to the upside. So I'm telling you, there's a high chance that we are going to break this area. There is a high chance that we are going to break the area. Okay, so that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. And okay, so we have some question. Kailan po pala mag-restart ng Telegram? I already restarted it. So you cannot call it a restart, but more of like additional concept that we're gonna be performing in the Telegram, and it's already there. Please check it out. The rules, and I need you to set up your calculators if you need it. Yeah, because this is gonna be a different approach now. Okay, so that's it. Thank you guys for being here. It's very late, I know, for you. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a good